Hello, folks. Today I'm out here taking a look at a house, and the folks they've tried to fix their squeaky floor, but the whole house is squeaking real bad. You could probably hear it as we walk across this old hardwood floor, and but it's just not squeaking there. It's squeaking down the stairs, going to the basement. It's squeaking all over. So what that will mean is that when it's squeaking like this means, well, actually, let's get into why it's squeaking. Nobody can figure out why. Well, what's happened is that this house has been wet for long periods of time. I've seen stain marks in different areas. I've seen where this is in the oddest places. And then, of course, we got the basement dewatering system just put into it. So apparently they've had leaks in here. So that's why they've had to take care of it. But and you can even see the floor sloping a little bit, getting a little slant on here. So anyway, what's happened, that's because the house has been so wet, it's all warped up. Well, now, okay, the squeaks is one thing, kind of a pain, we don't like it, but I got this really brand new, really nice, beautiful tile floor here. And what's going to happen, because what we have is this floor is literally squeaking. This means it's moving, and that means that all this tile work, it will crack, and every bit of it will crack sooner or later because of it flexing. Right now, you can tell that this is about the only part of the building that's not got some severe squeaks in it. But it's going to do it because it's leaked everywhere. Well, anyway, folks, I hope this has been educational. If your floor is squeaking, sometimes you can't really do anything about it. The house is just warped up too bad. Other times on our other videos, we talk about how you can fix this. But anyway, that's hopefully been helpful. Sad, but helpful. Thanks, folks, for watching our videos. God bless you. Please hit like and subscribe so other people can learn what you're learning today. God bless.